On today's episode of Dine at Frugal, we're making these delicious banana muffins. They're great for when you have overripe bananas and you don't know what to do with them. Let's go. Okay, so we're going to start off by mashing our bananas, and you want to mash them really, really well. You want about a cup of mashed banana for this recipe. Then you're going to spray a 12-hole muffin tin with canola spray or cooking spray, and because this all comes together in a bowl, we're going to add our banana, our baking soda. Then we're going to give that a bit of a mix and get that all nice and incorporated. While you've got this happening, preheat your oven to 180 degrees. Then we're going to add our oil, our sugar and our eggs, followed by our vanilla essence. I'm just using imitation vanilla essence because that's all I had. And then we're going to give that all a really good mix before we add our last ingredient, which is our flour. So get that all nice and well incorporated. And then we'll add our flour. I haven't even bothered to sift mine, so I've just put it all in there, and then I'm going to give it a really good mix. You don't have to get all the lumps out, don't over mix it. This part is optional. I've put 1/4 cup of chocolate chips in there. Now all of the ingredients are down in the description. I always forget in my voiceovers to go ahead and give you the correct amounts. Portion your batter into that 12 muffin cups, and we're going to bake it in the oven for about 15 or 20 minutes, or until the skewer comes out clean if you put it in the center. So then we're going to let those cool. Once they're out of the oven, move them to a cooling tray, and then you can serve them. I've served mine up with a little bit of butter, and I've frozen the rest because I enjoy them as a mid-morning snack when I'm at work. I hope you like these. I hope you enjoy them. I hope you make them, and I'll see you next time. Bye.